In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase your Zelle limit with Wells Fargo. If you've ever tried to send a large payment and hit a wall, this guide will help you work within the bank's rules and put yourself in the best position for higher limits over time. First, understand your limit. Most Wells Fargo personal accounts start with a Zelle limit of about $3,500 per day and $20,000 per month. Your exact numbers can vary based on your account type and history. To see what applies to you, open the Zelle section in your Wells Fargo app or online banking, where your current send limits are typically displayed next to transfer options. Knowing where you stand helps you plan transfers and avoid declined payments. Next, use your account regularly. Consistent normal activity is a strong signal. Send and receive money as you normally would, keep your account in good standing, and avoid sudden spikes that look unusual compared to your past behavior. Over time, steady usage can help the system recognize your pattern and may support higher limits. Then, build transaction history with familiar recipients. Repeatedly sending to the same trusted contacts helps establish a safe track record. Keep details consistent, use clear memos, and avoid sending to people you don't know. This kind of predictable, low-risk activity can make your profile look more reliable. If your payment needs routinely exceed the standard limit, consider upgrading your account. Certain business or premium banking relationships can come with higher Zelle limits than standard personal accounts. Review the features, requirements, and any fees to decide if an upgrade makes sense for your situation. Finally, contact Wells Fargo to ask about your current limits and whether any adjustments are possible. You can reach out through customer service, secure chat, or by visiting a branch. Be ready to explain your typical transfer amounts, how often you send, and why a higher limit would help. Sometimes a representative can review your profile or confirm when limits might adjust automatically. Keep in mind, Zelle limits are set primarily for security and increases aren't guaranteed. They often change automatically based on account tenure, balance patterns, and your transfer history, so patience matters. By understanding your limits, using Zelle consistently, building a solid history with trusted recipients, considering an account upgrade when appropriate, and checking in with Wells Fargo, you'll give yourself the best chance to see your Zelle limits grow over time.